Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, I am going to teach you how you can install the Gmail app on Windows 11. So let's dive in. Firstly, open Google Chrome and head over to gmail.com. Once you are in gmail.com, on the top right corner of Chrome, you will spot 3 dots. Click on them, then scroll down and click on Save and Share. Here, choose Create Shortcut. A box will pop up, asking you to name the shortcut. You can name it Gmail. Make sure to select Open as New Window and hit Create. Now, you will see Gmail opening in its own window. If you look at your taskbar, there's a Gmail icon. Also, when you click on the Start button and search for the Gmail app, you will find the Gmail app here. Right-click on Gmail to pin it to your Start menu. Plus, you can pin it to the taskbar for even quicker access. So, next time you start your computer, Gmail is right there for you on the desktop, taskbar, and Start menu. It's that simple to get Gmail on Windows 11. If this helped you out, please give this video a thumbs up. And for more computer tips, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.